Hi, this is Phil Oakley from Outserve Web. This is just a quick short video on some of the new functionality that has come to Unleashed recently. These are just some quick little tips. There has been some significant functionality already released this year, especially around Business to Business Portal. We're just going to look at some maybe smaller bits but no less significant that really may help some clients who are using Unleashed today. Of course, Unleashed is the stock warehouse inventory management software best used for Xero. So one of the new features that has just come in is the ability to be able to see when a transaction has been printed and by whom. So if I have a look at a transaction, maybe in a warehouse transfer, inventory transactions, warehouse transfers, hopefully I've got one already waiting here, so people will be used in as Unleashed users to come to see a transaction like a warehouse transfer. Go to the bottom, see the created and last modified by. But this latest edition now we see last printed by and last printed on. So not only can we see when a transaction was created and by who, when it was last modified and by who, we can now see who it was last printed and by who. For some users, I think this will be very important. So while we're on this transaction of a simple warehouse transfer, if I was to print, I'll just save it to my downloads, warehouse transfer document. Anyone who was then to come and see this later on, I'll just refresh the transaction, will now see last printed, obviously by myself, and last printed on the 29th of May. I think this is actually really useful functionality for people to see when the item was last printed or if it had been printed. And on that note, if you actually go and look at any of the main inquiry screens, so if I look at sales, orders, view sales orders, we can actually add this field onto here to say whether something's been printed. So in the usual way of adding other fields, so see show toolbar from the left, if I add on hidden columns, there is now a new column called printed, which I can add to my standard screen. I have got some orders here which have been completed, so now I can see which orders have been printed and which ones have not. And we could do this from many of the inquiry screens, again, as I would often do. If I wanted to just drag that printed up to the top grey bar there, I'll now have a summary of which ones have been printed and not. So I'll see printed, false. Obviously I've got 122 orders here in this view that have not been printed, and one that has. And of course from here I could then multi-select, use the cog to print the ones that have now not been printed. So I think for some people this will be very powerful functionality to sort items that have not been printed and actually see when those items have been printed and by whom. Of course, if you like this view, you can always save it in the usual way, create a new toolbar. So I'll call this printed view and save that. And now I've already got this view with these items on anytime I want to come look at it, or I could even set it to the default. Obviously always remembering to save when you update. So that is a quick introduction to the new printed functionality that you can see on inquiry screens and actually on each transaction. But before we go, just another little tip as well, a new thing that you may have seen or may not have seen come out. It was new keyboard shortcut bar. This is great for the keyboard warriors. Just by pressing the control button and a full stop, the point button, so control and full stop, now brings up a new menu, which is the quick action bar. Again, just by typing anything on here. So if I wanted to see, go back to my warehouse transfers, if I just type where and hit return, it'll bring back to warehouse transfers. I'll do that a bit slower this time. So again, control full stop brings up the menu. If I start typing, it will actually then go down and find anything that has warehouse in or warehouse transfers, and then I can select it manually. If I wanted to go back to my view sales orders, again control and the full stop, maybe I type orders, bring anything up in the menu bar that you would normally have on the left over here, so I can view sales orders, import sales orders, export sales orders, and even the settings page. But I just want to view sales orders, press return, very quickly moving around the system. So although not major releases of the software that we've seen this year already, I think these two items, you'll agree, could make a significant difference to the efficiency of using the system and also the functionality of the printed. We'll be releasing other quick video tips as well very shortly, so please see our YouTube channel or look for us on our website, outserveweb.co.uk. And of course, if you want to get in contact, just come onto our website, outserveweb.co.uk, and click the Contact Us button. Thank you very much.